Are you happy? I mean, what does that even mean? I don't know, but I know what makes me happy. Doing good for others really makes me feel good. It makes me happy every single time. It is a big part of the reason why I love doing YouTube and this channel. I love to help other people, and I try to do it as much as I possibly can in any way that I possibly can. The fellowship of family and friends and other YouTubers that I get to hang out with all the time, that makes me very happy. How do you go about maintaining your state of happiness though? Well, a big part of it is managing expectations. The other thing is doing things that you love. I mean, there are so many free activities out there for people who just like to get outdoors or do things, or even just walking. I personally enjoy just walking and exploring just about anywhere. Don't envy the things that other people have. Those things don't make those people happy. Trust me, there's lots of people who have everything they could ever want, and they're miserable. Be happy with what you have. Be thankful. The truth is, happiness is mostly mental. I have heard horrifying stories about people who were perfectly happy in the worst of situations. And you can certainly be happier if you choose to look at the bright side of life and all the beautiful things that you have and the wonderful days that you are given. Every day is special. Do me a big favor, find your adventure, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.